Happy birthday! Your birthday is a special celebration of new beginnings and all you have experienced in the past. It is an honor to celebrate. It is an honor to celebrate your life, your connection to the flow of the universe in everything you do. You are important. You are needed. Happy birthday. Let's welcome your birthday in its fullness, starting with your breath. Breathe in for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, come into the present moment. Live in the now. Breathe. This is your birthday. Lengthen your body. Stretch it all out. And release. You may move your neck from side to side. Roll your shoulders both ways. Circle your wrists. Open and close your hands. Yes, feeling so relaxed. Welcoming ease into your body. Happy birthday. On this occasion, may the gift of fullness, expansion, and peace within you be with you today and the whole year through. Trust the universe will show you everything. You are a thriving life force. Nothing needs to be pushed into place. On your birthday, I wish you the peace that comes with being in the zone of presence. The presence of trust. Allowing the flow of life, swimming in your currents with ease, and trusting that the stream is taking you where you need to be. You are exactly who you are meant to be. This is your birthday. This is your celebration. This is a celebration of your life path. Happy birthday. You are like bamboo, bending in the wind and not breaking. You know the feeling of unity when you and your life path are in harmony. Stress, anxiety, frustration are the ego tightly holding on to a plan that may never unfold. It is not the way. You are the way. Surrender. Surrender on this day, on your birthday, to life. Let life live through you. Happy birthday. At this special time for you, may there be happiness. May there be time to do the things that you enjoy. Happiness is not found when searched for. It comes out of taking action with ease, action that is from your heart. Be open today to treating yourself. Be open to being kind to yourself. Happy birthday. This is going to be a good day. This is going to be a great year. This is the year of living in the flow. Trust. Breathe. Yes. Trust the universe. Happy birthday. Today is a new beginning. A new beginning that is connected to a community of people in your life. Happy birthday. Feel your belly rise and fall. Feel your chest expand deeper, wider on each breath. You are like the plant that sprouts by a tree. Your path doesn't end because the tree is there. You simply grow in the flow connected with the tree, allowing your path to meander and find its way. Yes. What is beautiful is that when you are present and on a trusting journey, you'll get to see, meet, and do so many things that you will love, but would not have planned for. The sweetness of non-doing. There is more fullness in life. Happy birthday. Receive. Receive today. Be open to receiving. You are where you are supposed to be. Breathe in gratitude. The power of giving thanks for everything and everyone in your life. Give thanks to those that share your path in life. Happy birthday. Be present in the present. The time is now. You are celebrated. Happy birthday. Feel the love and connection around you on this special day. Smile. Be present. Enjoy this birthday. Happy birthday.